Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and safe. I hope you have completed the maths homework. Yes children, very good, keep it up. Okay, now let's start your maths class. Listen carefully. In previous class, what we have studied? We have studied about multiplication of rational numbers. Yes? Now, let us recall the multiplication of rational numbers, okay? So, listen carefully. The rules for multiplication of rational numbers are combination of the rules of multiplication of fractions and integers, okay? The rules for multiplication of rational numbers are combination of the rules of multiplication of fractions and integers, okay? For example, minus 16 upon 5 into 25 upon minus 2. Okay. For example, minus 16 upon 5 into 25 upon minus 2. How do you do this? First of all, you check denominator have any negative sign. Okay. Negative sign is there? Yes. Here. So, you convert into its numerator. Okay. So, minus 16 upon 5 multiply into 25 upon minus 2. 25 upon minus 2 can be written as minus 25 upon 2. Yes children? 25 upon minus 2, you multiply by minus 1, both numerator and denominator. That's why we get the answer minus 25 upon 2. Okay. So, 25 upon minus 2 can be written as minus 25 upon 2. Unoda negative sign, denominator la irukkude negative sign enga poirum? Numerator ku poirum. Okay. So, that's why your answer is now minus 16 upon 5 into minus 25 upon 2. Okay. Now, what to do? Okay, divided by the numbers, okay. So, 1 5 is 5, 5 table, it is surely divided by 5. So, 1 5 is 5, 25 is there, okay. So, 5 5s are 25. Next, 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16, okay. Now, you remaining, what is there? Here minus 8, here is minus 5. So, you multiply by numerators, okay. This is a multiplication. So, minus 8 into minus 5. So, first of all, you multiply the sign. Minus into minus plus 8 into 5, 40. So, your answer is 40 upon, here, the denominator have only 1. 1 into 1, your answer is 1. Okay, 40 upon 1 is equal to your answer is 40 only. Okay, children? Now clear? Yes. So, one more time I will explain, okay. So, listen carefully. Your question is minus 16 upon 5 into 25 upon minus 2. So, minus 16 upon 5 into, here denominator have negative sign. So, it can be written as minus 25 upon 2. 25 upon minus 2 can be written as minus 25 upon 2. Okay. Now, 1 5 is 5, it is divided by 5, so you cancel it, okay. 1 5 is 5, 5 5s are 25. Here 1 2 is 2, 8 2s are 16, you divided by 2, okay. So, the remaining, what is there? Here minus 8, here is minus 5 in numerator. So, we multiply, okay. So, minus 8 into minus 5 is equal to minus into minus plus 8 5s are 40. Okay, so your answer is minus into minus plus 8 5s are 40. Now, denominator 1 into 1. So, your answer is 1 1 is 1. Now, 40 upon 1 is equal to 40 only. Okay, okay children, now clear? Yes, we studied all this in the previous class. Yes children? Now, we are study about reciprocal of rational numbers. Now, we are study about reciprocal of rational numbers, okay. So, listen carefully. Reciprocal of rational numbers. Okay. So, reciprocal of rational numbers can be found by reversing it. Okay, in a reciprocal of the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay, reciprocal means the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay, for example, 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12. What is the reciprocal of 5 upon 12? Reciprocal of a rational number can be found by reversing it. Reciprocal means talagili. Okay, talagila ஆக்குறது. Numerator denominator la varum, denominator numerator la varum. Okay, so in a reciprocal of the fractional number is the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay, so what is the reciprocal of 5 upon 12? The reciprocal of 5 upon 12 is how much? 12 upon 5. So reciprocal na என்ன நம்மளுக்கு தலைகீழி 5 இங்க நியூமரேட்டர்ல இருக்கிறது இங்க என்ன வரும்? டினாமினேட்டர்ல வரும். டினாமினேட்டர்ல இருக்கிறது நியூமரேட்டருக்கு போயிடும். இதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal of a rational numbers can be found by reversing it. Okay, in a reciprocal the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay children, so listen carefully. So reciprocal of 5 upon 12, the reciprocal of 5 upon 12 is, what is the answer? 12 upon 5. Okay, then next for another one example, 5 upon 3. What is the reciprocal of 5 upon 3? The reciprocal of 5 upon 3 is 5 upon 3 is 3 upon 5. Okay, so you see here your numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay children, so this is the reciprocal. Reciprocal na ஒன்றும் இல்லை, என்னது தலைகீழா, மேலே இருக்குது கீழே வரும், கீழே இருக்குது மேலே மாற்றி போடுறதா reciprocal. Okay, now and one more thing, here is the positive reciprocal. Okay, that is doesn't matter. Suppose your reciprocal have negative sign, so what is the answer? Minus 12 upon 5. What is the reciprocal of minus 12 upon 5? What is the answer? Say. The reciprocal of minus 12 upon 5 is 5 upon minus 12. Yes or no? Minus 12 upon 5. What is the reciprocal? 5 upon minus 2. Your numerator becomes the denominator and denominator becomes the numerators. Okay, this is the reciprocal. Now, your denominator have here negative sign. So, your answer is minus 5 upon 12. So, what is the reciprocal of minus 12 upon 5? Minus 5 upon 12. Okay, so the reciprocal of a negative rational numbers is also negative. நம்ம அப்போ என்ன சைன் இருந்தாலும் சரிதான், சைனை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணவே கூடாது. ஓகே, அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ்னா என்ன? சைனை மட்டும் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி போடணும். ஆனால் ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் சைனை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணக்கூடாது, நம்பரை மட்டும் மாற்றி போடணும். Okay, the difference is there. Okay children, additive inverse and reciprocal, don't confuse it. Additive inverse na enna seivom, ipo minus 5 idoda additive inverse enadhu namalukku plus 5, sign only changed. Okay, this is the additive inverse, but this is the reciprocal of rational numbers. So suppose minus 5 is there, what is the reciprocal? This is additive inverse. This is reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of minus 5? 5. 5 minus 5 means minus 5 upon 1. Minus 5 can be written as minus 5 upon 1. Yes? So, what is the reciprocal of minus 5 upon 1? 1 upon minus 5. Yes or no children? Minus 5 oda reciprocal நம்ம எழுத போறோம். Minus 5 oda meaning என்ன நம்மளுக்கு? Minus இதோட மீனிங் என்ன? minus 5 upon 1. இதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் என்ன வரும் நம்மளுக்கு? 1 upon minus 5. Okay, so 1 upon minus 5, here denominator have negative sign, so that's why it can be written as minus 1 upon 5. So what is the reciprocal of minus 5? Minus 1 upon 5. Okay, are you clear? Yes children? Okay, so minus 5, what is the reciprocal of minus 5? minus 1 upon 5. Okay, then another one example, listen carefully, don't confuse it. Okay, additive inverse and reciprocal. Minus 6, what is the reciprocal? Say the reciprocal of minus 6. It's a talagil. Okay, talagil means என்ன செய்யணும், நியூமரேட்டரை டினாமினேட்டர்ல போடணும், டினாமினேட்டரை நியூமரேட்டர்ல போடணும். ஓகே, நெகட்டிவ் சைனை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணவே கூடாது. ஸோ சைன் த ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் ஆஃப் நெகட்டிவ் ரேஷனல் நம்பர் இஸ் ஆல்சோ நெகட்டிவ். ஓகே, அப்படியே சைனை வச்சுட்டு என்ன செய்யணும், 6ஓட ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் எடுக்கணும். 6ஓட மீனிங் என்ன? 6 means, sir, 6 it can be written as 6 upon 1. Yes or no? 6 it can be written as 6 upon 1. So what is the reciprocal of 6 upon 1? 1 upon 6. 1 is the denominator. So denominator becomes the numerator. Okay, numerator becomes the denominator. So that's why our answer is 6 upon 1. 6 mean it can be written as 6 upon 1. So the reciprocal of 6 upon 1 is equal to 1 upon 6. Okay, what is the additive inverse of minus 6? Additive inverse. Additive inverse, இதோட additive inverse என்ன? plus 6. இங்க நம்மளுக்கு additive inverseனா சைன் மட்டும் தான் சேஞ்ச் ஆகும், நம்பர் அப்படியே தான் போடணும். ஆனா அங்க ரெசிப்ரோக்கல்னா என்ன, சைன் அப்படியே போடணும், ஆனா உன்னோட நம்பருக்கு என்ன செய்யணும், தலைகீழா போடணும். நியூமரேட்டர் டினாமினேட்டர்ல வரும், டினாமினேட்டர் நியூமரேட்டர்ல வரும். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், நவ் கிளியர்? ஓகே, அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸையும் ரெசிப்ரோக்கலையும் வச்சு கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணவே கூடாது. ஓகே, அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ்னா சைனை மட்டும் தான் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணணும், மைனஸ்னா பிளஸ் ஆகும், பிளஸ்னா மைனஸ் ஆகும். அதே இது நம்மளுக்கு வந்து ரெசிப்ரோக்கல் அப்படின்னா என்ன செய்யணும், சைன் அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு நியூமரேட்டரையும் டினாமினேட்டரையும் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணி போடணும். ஓகே, ஆர் யூ கிளியர்? எஸ். நவ் யூ கம் டு த ப்ராப்ளம் சம்ஸ். ஓகே, your question is, okay, all of you listen. First question, write the reciprocal of the following. Okay, write the reciprocal of the following. So you want to write, what is the fraction? 6 upon 3. What is the reciprocal of 6 upon 3? So reciprocal means, in a reciprocal of the number, okay, the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. Okay, so the reciprocal of, say the answer, the reciprocal of 6 upon 13 is 6 upon 13. So நியூமரேட்டர்ல வரது எங்க வரும், டினாமினேட்டருக்கு வரும், டினாமினேட்டர்ல இருக்கிறது நியூமரேட்டருக்கு போயிடும். அப்போ உன்னோட ஆன்சர் என்ன, 13 upon 6. So the reciprocal of 6 upon 13 is 13 upon 6. Okay, now you come to the second question, minus 7 upon 2. So what is the answer? The reciprocal of minus 7 upon 2. The reciprocal of minus 7 upon 2. What is the answer? The reciprocal of a negative rational number is also negative. So don't change the sign. Okay, நீ sign கீழ போட்டாலும் suppose 7 upon 2 ஓட reciprocal என்ன நம்மளுக்கு 2 upon minus 7 வரும். So இதை நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? minus 2 upon 7 தான் எழுதணும். ஏன்? denominatorல negative sign வரக்கூடாது. Okay, so that's why your answer is minus 2 upon sign. அப்ப sign வந்து நம்மளுக்கு change ஆகாது. Okay children, that's why you do direct. Okay, minus 7 upon 2. What is the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 2? Same sign, but you change the only numerator become to denominator, denominator become to the numerator. Okay, so that's why your answer is 2 upon 7. Okay, so your answer is, what is the answer? The reciprocal of minus 7 upon 2 is minus 2 upon 7. Okay, are you clear? நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க, நெகட்டிவ் சைன் வந்தாலும் நம்ம என்ன செய்யக்கூடாது? சைனை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணவே கூடாது. எதுல? ரெசிப்ரோக்கல்ல. ஒன்லி யூ சேஞ்ச் த நம்பர்ஸ். ஓகே, மேல இருக்கிறது கீழே போடணும், கீழே இருக்கிறது மேல தூக்கி போடணும், அவ்வளவுதான். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், கிளியர்? எஸ். நவ் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ டேக் யுவர் கிளாஸ் ஒர்க் நோட். All of you take your classwork note. Write today's day and date. Okay. Now write the heading reciprocal of rational numbers. Okay. So all of you take your classwork note. Write today's day and date and write the heading. Continue your writing. Okay. Don't leave any page. So continue your writing. Write the heading, subheading, reciprocal of rational numbers. And write the first question. Write the reciprocal of the following. Okay. And first one and second one. Write it fast. Write without mistakes. Okay. Write fast. Write fast children. Don't leave any page. Okay, you continue your writing. Rational numbers, that is reciprocal of rational numbers. You put the heading and write. Write fast. Have you finished? Okay, now you come to the third sum. Okay, continue. Write the reciprocal. Okay. 4. What is the reciprocal of 4? The number 4. The reciprocal of 4. What is the answer? 4. 4 can be written as 4 upon 1. Okay. 4 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? இது rational number இல்ல. rational number formula எழுதணும்னா என்ன செய்யணும்? 4 upon 1. So 4 can be written as 4 is equal to 4 upon 1 only. Okay. 4 நம்ம இப்படி எழுத முடியும். ஏன் இங்க denominatorல 1 இருக்கு. Okay. So 4 it can be written as 4 upon 1. So what is the reciprocal of 4? 4 ஓட meaning உனக்கு என்னது? 4 upon 1. அப்போ say what is the reciprocal of 4? 1 upon 4. Okay children, clear? 4 ஓட meaning நம்மளுக்கு என்னது? 4 upon 1. So here reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now the next question, don't write. -7. -7. So now you say the answer. The reciprocal of -7 is, what is the answer? Here 4 is equal to 4 upon 1. Okay. So that's why the reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4. Here -7. -7 it can be written as -7 upon 1. Yes or no? Okay. Okay. Here -7 is equal to -7 upon 1. -7 can be written as -7 upon 1. So reciprocal of -7 is -7. நம்ம இப்படி எழுதலாம். அப்போ இதோட reciprocal என்ன வந்துரும்? -1 upon 7. Okay, -1 upon 7. The reciprocal of a negative rational number is also negative. Sign reciprocalல change ஆகவே செய்யாது. Sign அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும். உன்னோட நம்பர் மட்டும் தான் change ஆகி வரும். Okay, the numerator becomes the denominator. The denominator becomes the numerator. Okay children, are you clear? Yes. Now you come to the fifth one. Okay, what is the solution? -9 upon -5. What is the answer? -9 upon -5. So the reciprocal of -9 upon -5. So -9 upon -5. Here numerator and denominator have negative sign. So minus minus cancel. Otherwise minus divided by minus is equal to, your answer is plus. So -9 upon -5 can be written as 9 upon 5. Okay. So -9 upon -5 can be written as 9 upon 5. So the reciprocal of -9 upon 5 is, your answer is 5 upon 9. Minus minus cancel ஆயிரும். என்ன செய்யணும்? நம்ம நம்பரை மட்டும் தான் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுவோம். நியூமரேட்டர் டினாமினேட்டருக்கு போகும், டினாமினேட்டர் நியூமரேட்டருக்கு வந்துரும். So your answer is 9 upon 5. Okay. So the reciprocal of 9 upon 5 is 5 upon 9. Okay children, clear? One more time I will explain. 4. You want to find the reciprocal of 4. Okay. So the reciprocal of 4 is 1 upon 4. How? 4 can be written as 4 upon 1. So the reciprocal of 4 upon 1 is 1 upon 4. So that's why your answer is 1 upon 4. Okay children, 4 நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 4 upon 1 ன்னு எழுதலாம். அப்ப இதோட 4 upon 1 ஓட reciprocal என்ன? 1 upon 4. Okay, clear? Yes. Now you come to the second question. Sorry, fourth one. -7. The reciprocal of -7 is -1 upon 7. Why? Minus, that's a negative of rational number is also negative only, reciprocal. Okay, in reciprocal of a non-negative rational number also is a negative rational number only. But your answer 7 is equal to 7 upon 1. Okay, so that's why the reciprocal of -7 is -1 upon 7. Okay, next one. -9 upon -5. So -9 upon -5 is equal to 9 upon 5 only. Why? Minus minus cancel. So your answer is only, your question is only 9 upon 5 only. Okay. So unoda question paru -9 upon -5. So minus minus cancel panna unoda question e unakku enna dhaan 9 upon 5 dhaan. Okay. So that's why the reciprocal of -9 upon -5 is 5 upon 9. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now you continue your writing. Already in the first question 2 parts finished. Now you start third, fourth, fifth. Okay, write it fast. So நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ, reciprocal உன்னோட சைன் நெகட்டிவ் சைனை அப்படியே மாற்றவே கூடாது. ஓகே, சைன் சேஞ்சே ஆகாது, அது இருக்கிற சைன் தான் வரும். பட் ஒன்லி நியூமரேட்டர் பிகம்ஸ் த டினாமினேட்டர், that is denominator becomes the numerator. Okay children? Okay. But additive inverse is only sign only will change, okay? So that is don't forget. This is reciprocal, that is additive inverse. Write fast. Write fast, write without mistakes, okay? Once a question answer is completed, then you draw the line using scale, okay children? Write fast. I hope you have written, okay? Now, same type of question only, reciprocal question. Sixth one, 5 upon minus 2. What is the reciprocal of 5 upon minus 2? The reciprocal of 5 upon minus 2 is, say the answer, 5 upon minus 2. Your denominator have negative sign. So 5 upon minus 2 can be written as how? Minus 5 upon 2. Okay children? 5 upon minus 2 can be written as minus 5 upon 2. So what is the reciprocal of 5 upon minus 2? 5 upon minus 2 is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Okay. So your answer is minus 2 upon 5. What is the answer? Minus 2 upon 5. Okay. So the reciprocal of a negative rational number is also negative. Okay. Sign உனக்கு negative rational number negative ல இருந்தாக்கே உன்னோட answer reciprocal உனக்கு என்னவா தான் இருக்கும்? Negative ல தான் கண்டிப்பா வரும். So what is the answer? 5 upon minus 2 is minus 2 upon 5. Okay children? Clear? Yes. So you continue. This is a fifth. So this one is sixth. Okay. So write it fast. Fifth after you write sixth. Write fast. The reciprocal of 5 upon minus 2 is minus 2 upon 5. Okay. Okay, now listen children. Now we are going to learn about the next topic, division of fraction numbers. Okay, division of fractional numbers. Okay children, so listen carefully. The division of rational numbers. Okay, so that is multiply the rules of multiplication of rational numbers and multiply the divided by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so now you come to the one sums. Okay, for example, listen carefully. Now we are going to study about division of rational numbers. Okay, now we are going to learn about division of rational numbers. Division of okay. Now for example, listen carefully. Minus 6 upon 7 divided by 3 upon minus 14. Okay, minus 6 upon 7 divided by 3 upon minus 14. For first of all, you check denominator have any negative sign. Is there? Yes, here is there. Okay, so it can be written as minus 6 upon 7. So divided symbol 3 upon minus 14 can be written as minus 3 upon 14. Okay, children. So minus 6 upon 7 divided by 3 upon minus 14, it can be written as minus 3 upon 14. Okay, why? The denominator have negative sign, so that's why it can be written as minus 3 upon 14. Okay, now how do you do this? That is a division. Okay, here is division operation is there. So this is called divide and this is called divisor. Yes or no, children? This is divide and this is divisor. இது நம்மளுக்கு இதால தான் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன செய்யணும், இத டிவைட் பண்ணணும். So this is divisor. So அப்ப நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், division நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாது. Some hard. Okay, multiplication, but you all are known very well. Yes or no, children? So the multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, so அப்ப நம்ம இந்த sign multiply change பண்ண போறோம். So minus 6 upon 7, this what is division symbol is come to the multiplication symbol. Okay, so that time multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Divisor oda reciprocal இது கூட multiply பண்ணணும். So உன்னோட division of rational number rule என்ன? Multiply the dividend say by the reciprocal of the divisor. Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. இதோட reciprocal இது கூட multiply பண்ணணும். Okay, so that's the division symbols into multiplication. That time you put the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of minus 3 upon 14? Minus, same sign. The negative of the rational number is also, the reciprocal of the rational number is also negative. Okay, so that's why minus 3 upon 14. What is the reciprocal of minus 3 upon 14? Minus 14 upon 3. Okay, நல்லா கவனி. நம்ம என்ன செய்தோம், ஒரு மைனஸ், சப்போஸ் minus 6 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7 minus symbol. இந்த மைனஸ்க்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம், இதோட additive inverse ஆட் பண்ணுவோம். So minus 6 upon 7 plus minus 2 upon 7. Yes or no, children? மைனஸ்ல இருந்து பிளஸ்ஸா மாத்தணும்னா நம்ம என்ன செய்தோம், இதோட additive inverse நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணுவோம். அதே மாதிரி தான் இந்த டிவிஷனுக்கு நம்ம என்ன செய்ய போறோம், multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. உன்னோட divisor ஓட reciprocal இது கூட multiply பண்ணணும். Okay, now clear? Now 1 3 is 3. Now multiplication. So all are known. Yes, so 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Now what is the remaining? Here minus 2, here minus 2. So minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so the numerator is 4. Here denominator, here is 1 1. So 1 is 1. So 4 upon 1 is equal to, your answer is 4 only. Okay, children? Clear? So listen carefully. Here is division. Okay. So in division of rational numbers. Okay. Here multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. உன்னோட dividend கூட என்ன செய்யணும்? Reciprocal ஓட divisor ஓட reciprocal multiply பண்ணணும். Okay. So minus 6 upon 7 divided by 3 upon minus 14. So first of all you check denominator have anything negative sign. Yes, here negative sign is there. So you convert into the numerator. Okay. So that's why it can be written as minus 6 upon 7 divided by 3 upon minus 14 can be written as minus 3 upon 14. Okay. Now minus 6 upon 7. In division rule, what is the rule? Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. So reciprocal oda divisor oda reciprocal dividend kuda enna cheyano multiply pannanom. Okay. So this is the dividend, this is called the divisor. So minus 6 upon 7 multiply எதை multiply பண்ணணும்? உன்னோட divisor ஓட reciprocal. Okay. So that's why what is the reciprocal of minus 3 upon 14? Minus 14 upon 3. Okay. Now multiplication வந்தாச்சு. என்ன செய்யணும்? Divide பண்ணலாம். Okay. Divide பண்ணும்போது numerator and denominator தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும்? Divide பண்ணணும். So that's why 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 1 7 is 7, 2 4s are 14. Now the remaining numerator, what is there? Minus 2 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Here denominator 1. So that's why your answer is 4. Now clear? Okay. Yes children. Okay. Now listen carefully. Now you come to the sums. Okay. Problem sums. Question. Rational numbers. First one. Minus 6 upon 7 by divided by how much? 2 upon minus 3. Okay. So minus 6 divide minus 6 upon 7 by 2 upon minus 3. Okay. So minus 6 upon 7 divided by 2 upon minus 3. Okay. You see here, sorry. Here denominator have negative sign. Okay. So that's why you convert first. Minus 6 upon 7 divided by 2 upon minus 3 can be written as minus 2 upon 3. Okay. Here denominator have negative sign. So first of all you convert into numerator have positive. Okay. So that's why minus 6 upon 7 divided by 2 upon minus 3. So 2 upon minus 3 can be written as minus 2 upon 3. Okay children. Clear? Okay. Now what is the next step? Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. உன்னோட dividend கூட உன்னோட reciprocal ஓட divisor ஓட reciprocal multiply பண்ணணும். Okay. So that's why minus 6 upon 7. This divided symbol into multiply symbol. Okay. That time you put the reciprocal. Okay. What is the reciprocal of minus 2 upon 3? Minus 3 upon 2. Clear? Okay children. What is the reciprocal of minus 2 upon 3? Minus 3 upon 2. So the negative rational number, the reciprocal of a negative rational number is also negative. So the reciprocal of minus 2 upon 3 is minus 3 upon 2. Now you multiply. Very easy. Okay. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. Here 7. So no common factors. Okay. So that's why your answer is here minus 3 into minus 3. Minus is there. Okay. So minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9. So your answer is 9 upon 7 into 1 7. So your answer is 9 upon 7. Okay, children? Do you understand? Okay, one more time, listen carefully. Divide the following rational numbers, okay? So minus 6 upon 7 divided by 2 upon minus 3. So minus 6 upon 7 divided by 2 upon minus 3. It can be written as minus 6 upon 7 divided by 2 upon minus 3 is equal to minus 2 upon 3, okay? Here denominator have negative sign. So that's why you convert first. 2 upon minus 3 can be written as minus 2 upon 3. Okay, children. Now here is division. So you convert into multiplication operation. Okay. So that time multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay, children. So this is dividend. This is divisor. So multiply the dividend. So say multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. உன்னோட டிவைசரோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கலை இது கூட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். So minus 6 upon 7. Here division sign convert into multiplication. Okay. So that time you put the reciprocal. நம்ம மைனஸ் பிளஸ்ல இருந்து மைனஸ் சப்ட்ராக்ஷன்ல இருந்து பிளஸ்க்கு சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது என்ன செய்வோம்? அடிட்டிவ் இன்வர்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ணுவோம். அப்படிதானா? அதே மாதிரி தான் என்ன செய்யணும்? டிவிஷன்ல இருந்து மல்டிப்ளைக்கு சேஞ்ச் பண்ணும்போது அதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கலை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ரெசிப்ரோக்கல். Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So that's why minus 6 upon 7 division into multiplication sign. So that time you put the reciprocal. Okay, minus 2 upon 3. So the reciprocal of minus 2 upon 3 is minus 3 upon 2. Now you cancel it. Okay, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. Here no common factor. Here 7 is there. Okay, children. So it is not divided by 7. So you multiply the numerators. Okay. So minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus plus, 3 3s are 9 upon 7. So your answer is 9 upon 7. Okay, clear? Yes. Then one more question. 5 upon minus 11 by minus 17 upon 22. Okay. So say it's right, can be written as 5 upon minus 11 divided by minus 17 upon 22 is equal to, here denominator have negative sign, so you convert it. Okay. So 5 upon minus 11 can be written as minus 5 upon 11. Okay. So divided by minus 17 upon 22. Okay, children. Now division. So you convert the sign, multiplication. Okay. So that time multiply the dividend. Multiply the dividend. What say? Multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. So minus 5 upon 11 multiply the reciprocal of the divisor. So what is the reciprocal of minus 17 by 22? Minus 22 upon 17. Okay, children. The reciprocal of a negative rational number is also negative. So sign change ஆகாது, only number மட்டும்தான் நம்ம change பண்ணி போடணும். Okay. So that's why the reciprocal of minus 17 upon 22 is minus 22 upon 17. Okay. Now you multiply. Okay, here 11, here 22. Okay, 1 11 is 11, 2 11s are 22. So the remaining, here is minus 5, here is minus 2. So minus into minus plus, 5 2s are 10 upon denominator 1 into 17, 17. So your answer is 10 upon 17. Okay, children, clear? Okay, yes. Listen carefully. One more time I will explain. Okay. 5 upon minus 11 by minus 17 upon 22. Okay. 5 upon minus 11 divided by minus 17 upon 22. Here denominator, this rational number the denominator have negative sign. Okay, children. So it is expressed into positive. So that's why 5 upon minus 11 can be written as minus 5 upon 11 divided by minus 17 upon 22. Now you change the sign, change the operation, okay, into multiplication. So that time you put the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay children? So minus 5 upon 11. Division operation is into multiplication. So that time you put the reciprocal. Okay. So multiplication minus 17 upon 22. What is the reciprocal of 17 upon 22? 22 upon 17. Now you cancel it. Okay. That's the 11th table divided by 11th table. 1 11 is 11. 2 11s are 22. The remaining numerators minus 5 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus. 5 2s are 10 upon denominator have 1 and 17. Okay. So that's why 1 17s are 17. So your answer is 10 upon 17. Okay children? Clear? Yes. Now you continue your writing. Start. You write the heading division of rational numbers. And write the question. Divide the following rational number. First one. Then after you write second one. Okay. Write fast. Write fast. So நல்லா ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க டிவிஷன் சைனை நம்ம என்னவா மாற்றணும், டிவிஷன் ஆப்ரேஷனை நம்ம மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனாக மாற்றுறோம், அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ மாற்றும் போது அதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கலை போட்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுவோம். ஓகே சில்ட்ரன்? கிளியர்? எஸ், தட்ஸ் ஆல், நத்திங். ஓகே, டிவிஷன் ஆல்சோ வெரி வெரி ஈஸி. மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் தெரிஞ்சாலே போதும், டிவிஷனும் செஞ்சிடலாம். ஓகே, ஒன்றுமே இல்லை. உன்னோட டிவிஷன் சைனை என்ன செய்யணும், மல்டிப்ளிகேஷனாக மாற்றுறதுக்கு அதோட ரெசிப்ரோக்கலை போட்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும், அவ்வளோதான். ஓகே, எஸ், ரைட் ஃபாஸ்ட். Write fast. Divide the following rational number. First one, first question, minus 6 upon 7 by 2 upon minus 3. Okay. If first question is finished, mean then after you start the second one. Okay. Have you finished? Okay, I hope you have written. Now the third one. Seven upon minus 14 by 1 upon minus 2. Okay, listen carefully children. All of you stop writing, listen. Okay, 7 upon minus 14 divided by 1 upon minus 2 is equal to, you see here these rational numbers have denominator is negative. Okay, so that's why first of all you convert 7 upon minus 14. 7 upon minus 14, it can be written as minus 7 upon 14. Okay, 7 upon minus 14, it can be written as minus 7 upon 14 divided by 1 upon minus 2. 1 upon minus 2 can be written as minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Denominator have negative sign. Listen children. Denominator have negative sign. So, it can be written as 7 upon minus 14 can be written as minus 7 upon 14. Okay. And divided by 1 upon minus 2 can be written as minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Now, this is the division operation. So, you convert into multiplication operation. Okay. So, that time minus 7 upon 14 multiplication. Okay. So, multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So, minus 7 upon 14 multiply. You put the reciprocal. Okay. My division symbol multiply or change பண்ணும்போது நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும் இதோட reciprocal போடணும். So the reciprocal of a negative rational number is also negative. So same sign minus 1 upon 2. What is the reciprocal of 1 upon 2? 2 upon 1. 2 upon 1. Okay children? Are you clear? Yes. Nalla gavani minus 7 upon 14 the division operation multiply change ஆகும்போது you put the reciprocal of the divisor. Okay. So what is the reciprocal of minus 1 upon 2? Minus 2 upon 1. Okay. Now here 7 is there, here 14 is there. Okay. So it is divided by 7. Okay. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Here 2, here also 2. So you cancel. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. Okay. So the remaining, here is minus 1, here also minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. How much? Plus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 into 1. 1. Okay. And denominator 1 into 1. 1. So your answer is 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to your answer is 1. Okay children. Are you clear? Do you understand? Okay. One more time I will explain. 7 upon minus 14 divided by 1 upon minus 2. Okay. Here denominator have negative sign. So you convert first. 7 upon minus 14 can be written as minus 7 upon 14 divided by 1 upon minus 2 can be written as minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Now minus 7 upon 14, here is division operation. Okay. So you convert into multiplication. So multiply the dividend by the reciprocal of the divisor. So minus 7 upon 14 division operation into multiplication. So that time you put the reciprocal. Unnoda reciprocal divisor oda reciprocal multiply பண்ணனும். So what is the reciprocal? Minus 1 upon 2 minus 2 upon 1. Okay. So that's why now you can, your answer is minus 2 upon 1. Now you cancel it. Here is 7, here is 14. So 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Here 2, here also 2 is there. So 2 cancel. So the remaining minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1 into 1, 1. Here is 1, 1. So your answer is 1. So 1 upon 1, your answer is 1. Okay children, are you clear? Yes. Now you continue your writing. Second question finish mean you come to third one. Okay. Write fast. Write fast. Do it fast children. Next homework questions. Okay, children, listen carefully. Now your homework sums. All of you take a homework note and write the homework sums, okay? Page number 16. In your book, page number 16. In exercise 1.3, fifth question, okay? All of you take your book, page number 16. Exercise 1.3, fifth question. In fifth question, you mark the questions, first one, third one and fifth one, okay? Page number 16. In question number 5, first one, third one and fifth one, okay? Now the second question, divide the following. I given two questions, okay? Divide these type of question, children. So you do carefully, okay? That very easy question only I given. So you write in the homework note, okay? This is the homework. So write it in your homework note, okay, children? So we will see in the next class, okay? Thank you.